Okay, so I'm actually going to be installing one of the other outdoor lights to the home. I already installed two others. This was the old style uh, one that I installed, that I removed, and the one that I installed was this new modern style. One of the issues that I was facing was, this is the other one that I installed. One of the issues that I was facing was I was doing the installation myself single-handedly. So holding up the fixture while I wire it, it was an issue. For this one, what I did is I suspended it from that flagpole hole using a string. It's there in one of my other videos. But generally this is a problem, to be able to hold the fixture near the wires so you can wire it. I need both my hands to wire it, so it's a problem to somehow hold the fixture up near the wire nuts. So what I did for this one, so this one I had a flagpole on top and a hole, and I could easily just suspend the the fixture. For this one here, actually I did what is called jugaad. Jugaad is a word that's used to build up something out of something else, just like a makeshift thing, a temporary kind of thing, to get things to work. So what I did here is, on this particular light fixture, it was challenging because I didn't have anything to suspend it from, this light fixture. So what I did is I just got a tall ladder with some kind of a little bit of a platform on top, and then what I did is I got a small plastic stool to raise the height of this platform, and then a pair of old jeans, and I put the fixture on top to hold it up near the electrical box. The jeans just make sure that the fixture doesn't get scratched up or something. It just kind of provides a soft surface on which I can rest the fixture. And one of the things that was challenging was I didn't have enough space for this ladder. There was a bush so close to the home that I didn't have much space, so I couldn't climb up on the ladder. I couldn't actually extend the ladder up out so that I can climb on it because this bush is in the way. So what I did is I just used this ladder to hold up the fixture over there. And the other challenging part about this was the ladder itself initially was not straight, because the surface on which this area is, that's not straight, it's sort of slanting. So what I had to do is, this is the other side of where the ladder is placed. So what I did is I got the ladder in behind the bush over here. But then what I did is I used these stepping stones. They're really cheap. You can buy them for $1 each at Home Depot. I needed these stepping stones to sort of put down on my front yard. But basically I use these stepping stones, the ones that I use in my front yard for the pathway or edging, and I use these to prop up the side of the ladder which was not straight. So that way I make the ladder straight by sort of propping it up on one side with these stepping stones so that the ladder itself becomes straight. And then what I did is, once the ladder was straight, I used that plastic stool to sort of raise the height of that platform so I could place the fixture up there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use another ladder to climb up myself. This is the ladder that I use to climb up and be able to access that area where I can wire the fixture in. So these are the wire nuts over here, and I'm going to just wire the fixture in. So let's see how that goes. That's basically where I'm going to be wiring it in, and hopefully I have to be careful climbing up on this ladder, but I think the solution should